Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a delightful set of art supplies that many of you have been asking about, the Tombow 56187 Dual Brush Pen Art Markers in a beautiful pastel 10-pack. We found this product online, and you can check the description below for the latest price and availability. So, what exactly are these Tombow Dual Brush Pens? They are versatile art markers designed for artists, crafters, and anyone who loves to add a splash of color to their projects. Each pen features a dual tip, a flexible brush tip for creating dynamic strokes and a fine tip for precise detailing. This combination makes them perfect for a variety of artistic applications. One of the standout features of this set is the updated color palette, which now includes the N95 Cool Gray one. This addition enhances the versatility of the pastel collection, allowing for more nuanced blending and shading in your artwork. The pastel colors themselves are soft and soothing, making them ideal for creating calm and inviting illustrations. Another key feature is that the tips self-clean after blending, which means you can transition between colors without worrying about muddying your palette. This is an especially handy feature for artists who love to create gradients or intricate designs. For the best results, Tombow recommends using these pens on smooth, non-textured paper, as this allows the ink to flow beautifully and ensures that the brush tip maintains its shape. Now, you might be wondering, who are these markers suitable for? The answer is quite broad. Whether you're a seasoned artist looking to expand your color collection or a beginner exploring the world of hand lettering, watercolor, or doodling, these pens cater to all skill levels. They're also great for journaling and coloring, making them a wonderful addition to any creative toolkit. In terms of practical use cases, you can employ these markers for a range of projects. For instance, if you're into hand lettering, the flexible brush tip allows you to create thick and thin lines effortlessly, adding a professional touch to your lettering work. If you're a watercolor enthusiast, you can use these markers to achieve beautiful watercolor effects without the mess of traditional paint. Simply apply the ink to your paper and blend it with a water brush for a stunning finish. Furthermore, these markers are fantastic for making personalized greeting cards, creating bullet journal spreads, or adding artistic flair to your planners. The fine tip is perfect for detailed illustrations, while the brush tip can be used for broader strokes, making it easy to switch between techniques. Overall, the Tombow 56187 Dual Brush Pen Art Markers offer a delightful blend of quality and versatility. The soft pastel colors, dual tips, and user-friendly design make them an excellent choice for artists of all kinds. Whether you're doodling in your sketchbook or working on a more intricate project, these pens will help you achieve the results you desire. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.